When it comes to choosing the right windows for your home, it's important to consider both aesthetics and functionality. In Glendale, California, where the climate is characterized by hot summers, mild winters, and occasional rain, the type of window you choose can have a significant impact on your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Awning windows, with their unique design and practical benefits, are an excellent option for homeowners looking to improve their home's performance in Glendale's diverse weather conditions. In this article, we'll explore why awning windows are the perfect choice for Glendale weather, offering benefits that go beyond just style to include enhanced ventilation, protection from the elements, and energy efficiency. Enhanced ventilation without the elements getting in. One of the most notable features of awning windows is their ability to provide excellent ventilation while protecting your home from the elements. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward, which allows fresh air to flow into your home even when it's raining. In Glendale, where occasional afternoon thunderstorms are common during the summer months, this is a huge advantage. Unlike traditional windows, which can let rain indoors when opened, awning windows allow you to enjoy a cool breeze without worrying about getting water inside. Their unique design also makes them perfect for areas where you want to maximize airflow but need to keep your space protected from wind, rain, or snow. You can leave your awning windows open during a light rainstorm or windy weather and still keep your home dry, which makes them a smart choice for Glendale's unpredictable seasonal changes. Energy efficiency and temperature control. Glendale's climate can be warm during the summer months, with temperatures regularly reaching into the 90s. The hot sun can cause your indoor spaces to overheat, making it harder for your air conditioning to maintain a comfortable temperature. Awning windows can help improve your home's energy efficiency by enhancing airflow and helping regulate indoor temperatures. Since awning windows open outward, they allow for a good flow of air even when the weather is warm. This natural ventilation can help cool down your home without the need for constantly running your air conditioning, leading to lower energy bills and a more eco-friendly home. By allowing cool, fresh air to circulate through your home in the evening or early morning hours, awning windows make it easier to maintain a comfortable indoor environment without putting unnecessary strain on your HVAC system. In winter, when temperatures in Glendale can dip to cooler levels, awning windows provide a tight seal when closed, helping to retain heat inside. Their design helps to prevent drafts and keeps your home warmer during cooler nights, contributing to overall energy efficiency. Maximizing natural light. Awning windows are also a great way to bring natural light into your home. Their design typically includes large panes of glass that allow plenty of sunlight to brighten up your living space. This is particularly useful in Glendale, where residents often want to enjoy the sunshine while protecting their homes from harsh outdoor elements. Awning windows can be placed higher on the wall, which allows for maximum daylight to enter your home without compromising your privacy. They're ideal for locations like bathrooms, kitchens, or higher up areas where you still want to let in natural light but without the risk of prying eyes. The combination of natural light and proper ventilation will make your home feel more open, airy, and welcoming. Aesthetic appeal and versatility. The awning windows are not only practical but also stylish, adding a modern touch to any home. Their clean lines and unobtrusive design make them an ideal fit for various architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary. In Glendale, where homeowners take pride in their home's exterior appearance, awning windows complement the surrounding landscape while enhancing the overall curb appeal. These windows are especially well suited for installation in spaces where other window types might not work as well, such as below a roof overhang or in tight spots like basements or above countertops. The flexibility in placement and aesthetic appeal make awning windows an attractive and versatile option for homeowners looking to update their property. Increased security and safety. Another advantage of awning windows is their enhanced security. When fully open, the window panes tilt outward, but because the window opens from the top, the space between the frame and the opening is small. This makes it much more difficult for intruders to access your home compared to traditional windows that open outward from the side or bottom. As a result, awning windows provide an added layer of protection for your home while still offering the benefits of fresh air and natural light. Additionally, awning windows are generally easier to operate for individuals with limited mobility, as they can be opened and closed with a simple crank mechanism that requires minimal strength or effort. This makes them a great option for families with children or elderly family members. Low maintenance and durability. Awning windows are relatively low maintenance compared to other window types. Their outward opening design means they are less prone to dirt and debris collecting inside the window frame, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Additionally, they are built to withstand the elements, with weather-resistant materials that can handle both hot, dry conditions in the summer and wetter, cooler weather in the winter. In Glendale, where residents experience both sunny days and rainy spells, awning windows provide a durable and long-lasting option for homeowners looking to reduce the time and money spent on window upkeep. Conclusion. Awning windows are the perfect choice for Glendale weather, offering a combination of practicality, style, and energy efficiency that enhances your home's functionality and comfort. Whether you're looking to improve ventilation during the hot summer months, protect your home from the rain, or reduce your energy bills, awning windows provide a smart, versatile solution. With their sleek design, increased natural light, and durability, awning windows will not only boost the efficiency and aesthetics of your home but also ensure it remains comfortable and secure throughout the year.